Look at these bees out here in this 90-degree weather, pollinating all these plants. I mean, it's just really impressive to me that they're able to do this work in this kind of weather. Because I could do it. But I'm not a bee either, so there you go. Every day, though. They're out here every day. I mean, just working. It's really impressive. Wind blowing. They don't care. They're going to do their job. Because that's what they do. Because they're bees. Don't bother them and they don't bother you. And this is why we eat. Because of what they're doing right here. In 90-degree weather. So, when you see bees, don't kill them. Leave them alone and let them do what they're supposed to do. Because we benefit. Just saying.